Today we're taking a look at the 5-tier storage shelving unit. You can put this in a number of different places, like the garage or a shed or in the bathroom. So we're going to put it together and see what it looks like. We've put it all together and it wasn't too hard to put together, so we did each of the corners first and then put in each of the boards that go across the top. And then we're going to take the shelf boards and just place them in here like so. We have all of the shelving boards in. This is going to be super nice. It's a nice durable shelving unit, and you can put canned goods on here, or if it's in the garage, your tools or some hardware, whatever you need to. So super nice shelf, and you can do the shelves at whatever height you want to. So we made the bottom be a little bit larger so we could put larger items on the bottom. So that's a really nice feature. I think this is going to be a great shelving unit.